Samsung's Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra might seem familiar with its 14.6-inch display, but don't be fooled, it's packed with upgrades. Lighter, slimmer, and more durable, this new model also boasts anti-reflective screen technology for improved viewing. On the other hand, Apple's iPad Pro M4 is making waves as the first to feature the powerful M4 chip, marking a step toward AI-powered performance. So, which of these tablets truly deserves your attention and investment? Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's kick things off with what grabs your attention first: the display and design. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra comes with an enormous 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, perfect for anyone craving a big screen experience. The 16:10 aspect ratio makes streaming your favorite Netflix shows a treat, bringing 16 to 9 movies to life in vibrant detail. Plus, with its new anti-reflective coating that reduces glare by 98%, it's a solid choice for outdoor or brightly lit environments. Meanwhile, Apple's iPad Pro M4 introduces OLED displays for the first time, available in 11-inch and 13-inch sizes. The OLED upgrade makes a huge impact, delivering deep blacks and rich, punchy colors that almost leap off the screen. Though it's smaller than Samsung's, Apple's 120Hz ProMotion display delivers that signature smoothness, ensuring seamless scrolling and swiping. In terms of design, while the Tab S10 Ultra is thinner than its predecessor, it's still a large device. Comparatively, Apple's iPad Pro M4 13-inch is impressively slim at just 5.1 mm thick. Its ultra-lightweight build makes it extremely comfortable to hold for extended periods, almost like you're carrying a screen and nothing else. For those who prioritize portability, that's a significant win. Now, let's dive into the performance battle between these two heavyweights, the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra versus Apple's cutting-edge M4 chip in the iPad Pro. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra shines as a top-tier Android tablet, easily outperforming rivals like the OnePlus Pad. Its AI capabilities, seamless Galaxy ecosystem integration, and split-screen note-taking features make it a solid productivity option. However, when it comes to sheer power, Apple's M4 chip takes the crown. Offering desktop-level performance in a tablet, the M4's multi-core benchmarks leave the Tab S10 Ultra trailing far behind. Built with the future in mind, it's designed to handle not only today's apps, but also AI-driven tasks and complex workflows. Whether you're editing 4K video or running demanding AR applications, the iPad Pro delivers the ultimate laptop replacement experience, firmly winning the performance round. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI, offering smooth multitasking and enhanced functionality through Galaxy AI tools. Its integration with the S Pen, which comes included and conveniently attaches to the back of the device, makes it a great choice for note-takers and artists. Plus, with Samsung's DeX mode, the Tab S10 Ultra can transform into a desktop-like interface, perfect for those needing a hybrid between tablet and workstation. If you're invested in the Samsung ecosystem or prefer Android, it provides a seamless user experience. Meanwhile, the iPad Pro M4 runs on iPadOS 18, which is more powerful than ever with Stage Manager for better multitasking and full support for the Apple Pencil Pro. While Samsung's AI tools, like Portrait Studio and Advanced Sketching, are impressive, iPadOS offers a more polished experience, particularly for those already in the Apple ecosystem. Another key advantage for Apple is its long-term software support, ensuring your device stays fast, secure, and up-to-date for many years to come. Let's briefly talk about the cameras. While neither tablet is going to replace your smartphone for photography, they still offer decent performance. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra comes equipped with a 13-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultrawide on the back, along with dual 12-megapixel front-facing cameras, ideal for video calls, especially when multiple people are on screen. On the other hand, the iPad Pro features a single 12-megapixel rear camera paired with a LiDAR scanner, enhancing AR experiences. For video calls, the improved front camera placement on the iPad makes it more comfortable to use, particularly when docked, giving it an edge in usability. Battery life is another key consideration. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra packs a hefty 11,200 mAh battery, which supports 45W fast charging. more than enough to handle heavy media use and multitasking. Despite being smaller, the iPad Pro doesn't lag behind in battery life. The efficiency of the M4 chip allows Apple to deliver excellent endurance without sacrificing performance. Both tablets support fast charging, though neither comes with a charger included in the box. Now, let's discuss pricing. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra starts at around $1,200, while the iPad Pro M4 comes in slightly higher at $1,299. Though the iPad Pro M4 is a bit pricier, it offers OLED display technology, desktop-class processing power, and a more refined software experience. For users prioritizing creative work or demanding applications, the extra cost of the iPad Pro is well worth it. That's all for today. Which one has caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this on your feed.